Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing update methods, and much more. Kindly join my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channels for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can transfer your Flash USDT to other wallets. Note, this video is for educational purpose. Do not use for illegal purpose. The purpose of this video is for you to stay safe in crypto space, so you won't be get scammed. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to your Trust wallet. Grab. I will go into my wallet. See, these are Flash tokens. They are not real, so make sure you pay close attentively. These are Flash tokens. They are not real, so do not be driven by this. What this is for is that if you want to flash your clients, or you want to do different things, people are using it for different purposes. But if you want to learn how to generate your own token address, those contract address, you call it token address or contract address, they are the one that will give you this USDT, plenty USDT and plenty BTC. So if you need the full details of this, DM me on how to generate it, or you want to just buy the contract address only, we are sending that also. And if you want the full tutorial on how to generate your own token address, you're also doing that also. So this is my token now. This is my wallet. So I'll be flashing my Binance. I'll flash my Binance. I'll flash my Gate.io wallet because it works for multiple wallets. So to know if this is active, you get a contract address, and if you want to check if the contract address is active, let me copy the contract address of this wallet. So I've copied the contract address of this wallet. So if I go to my swap, you need a BNB. Just get like $3 BNB, so that if you want to swap, so maybe you learn how to generate your contract address. Now I want to know if this thing is active on your own Trust wallet or other wallet. This is how to go about it. So here now, I'll change it to this. I'll change it to BNB. I'll paste the contract address here. So the contract is only there, so I'll just put it. So it will know if this is active. If I put this 0.0001, you see that it will bring large amount of BTC. It's giving me 5,000 BTC. You see the equivalent at the down. That is about 300 million, Abi. Like, yes, like $300 billion of BTC if it is in dollar rate. So that is how you to know if this contract address is active. As me, it's not active now. If I put this 0.0001, the equivalent will still be 0.001. Like, the equivalent will still be that is 0.001, because this is not even $1. The BNB I'm using, I'm not even using up to $1. So that is how to go about it. So if you want to go about it on USDT too, so I'll just copy the contract address of this. I'll check it out. Let me check it. We change it to this, then paste it. So let's check. So like this now, if I check 0.001, you see, you can see it now. It is giving me 119,000 USDT. As me is not active, it will give me the 0.01, which is equivalent to 0.59. It will give me at the down here. The right is $0.59. That means it's not active. It's when it give you large amount. It's when the thing give you large amount of USDT or BTC. That is when you should know this contract is still active. So I've already cleared the part of that. So you can directly flash your Binance or Gate.io. Why I'm not mentioning OKX is that OKX is also there and BitGet is also there. You can use the same to flash OKS and BitGet. Why I'm not mentioning those two, because those ones, they are selective. They are contract address that works on those things. But if you want to swap, if you swap from OKS and send it to Trust Wallet, it will reflect. But if you swap, let me show you something. Real quick. So let me go to my OKS. Okay, let me go to my OKS. I'll be showing you guys the step by step. So I'm showing you what I'm telling you. Okay, network. Okay, like this now. If I say let me swap from here, start 0. Okay, it's already the first one. You leave it at BNB. The second part, you just paste the contact address and paste the contact address. So okay, so like this now, this is the contact address. So I'll say 0.001. It's not, you can see it. It's giving me 12,000. So let me splash 0.001. It's giving me $120. So $1.20. So I want to swap. Assuming it is other wallet, if I swap it, it will show in the balance. So if I swap it now, you see that it's not showing. Let me swap it. Let me confirm it. So I'll go to my home. You can see it. It's supposed to pop up in the balance. It's supposed to pop up in the balance, but it's not popping up. That means the contract can't work on OKS, can't pump up. It's not. But you can send it out. Like this one that I swap now. If I want to send it out to if I want to send it out to Trust Wallet, if I want to send this out, the 100 this thing that I swap to, I want to send it out to Trust Wallet or Binance, it will reflect. Let's try it. Let's click on send this time. Let's locate the coin. Let's go down. I think let me check with the contract address first. Okay, this is it. This is the coin. Stand. So this is the coin. Let's click on it. So it's giving me $200. So I'll go to my Trust Wallet. You see it too. It's not reflecting on that OKS, but let's check my Trust Wallet. Let me go to this wallet now. Okay, so click on receive. Just copy your BNB wallet address, then you go back to this place, paste it. I'm showing you guys the proof. As it confirm. So you can see it now. I've sent it out. So I've sent it out like this. So let's check if it will reflect. Let's check. You can see it now. It's reflecting. So you can just use OKS to swap. It will reflect. It won't reflect on OKS, but if we send it to either Binance or Trust Wallet or Gate.ai, which I'll still do it in this video, so I will clear every part in this video. So it's the same way you do BTC. That is the same way you do USDT also. So like this now, you can see it reflect on your on your Trust Wallet. So you can also use Trust Wallet directly instead of going to OKS to swap, then send it to Trust Wallet. You can also use it on. You can also use this method that I'm talking about. Like if you want to swap, you can swap directly from your Trust Wallet instead of going to OKS to do all those things. You just copy the contract address, change it to BNB. Okay, that is not the. So copy the contract address. So you can just swap here 0.001. So you can see it now. Once I click on this slide to swap, it will swap and it will reflect. So I don't want to swap because I already have balance already. So I'm just doing this thing here to show you guys how to know if the contract address is active. So with that being said, so now I want to flash my Binance. I told you guys I can flash my Binance directly from Trust Wallet. I can flash from Binance to Trust Wallet. So let's do that. So like this now, this is my wallet. And note, if you're on your Binance exchange, you need to switch to wallet because that is where we are flashing. So I'll be using this wallet stand. So click on asset. So once you click on asset, click on receive stand. Click on receive token via this thing. Then you make sure you copy your BNB wallet address. Click on this BNB, then copy the BNB wallet address. It's time because it's on Ben 20, so the Ben 20 is on that BNB. It's BNB, so it's BNB. So like this now, after you copy your BNB wallet address, you go back to your trust wallet stand. So I'll be sending out. Click on send, proceed anyway, send. I'll locate the coin. So this is at the down because we already have other coin that are already expire, they're already flagged. So I'm going with this. So I'll just send let's send. We have this thing in our balance. You check. We have 6,000 in our balance. 6,000 worth of BTC. This is BTC, but this one I'm sending is USDT. So let me send. Let's just send like let's send like 8,000. So let's see. Let's confirm it. So it's processing, spending. You completed in a few seconds. So once it's completed, just check our Binance. Very easy. It's very sharp to just refresh. Okay, sorry. I've ID token. Sorry, I've ID it. So what I'll do, let me go and hide it. I hide the token. I hide it. So let me just enable it back. This is it. So this is it at the top. That's why it's not showing. You can see it now. You can see it. I hide it. If I hold it like this, I can hide token. You can see it. So that's why it's not showing. You can see it's now reflecting. So sorry for that. So like this now, if you want to flash your BTC, it's still same way. Just copy the same wallet address, the BNB. It's still BNB. It will come as BTC stand. Just copy the BNB wallet address stand. So we're flashing the BTC now. So let's check. Okay, go back. So let me send out, locate the BTC. So put it, let's send 0.2. So give me 12,000 worth of BTC. That is it, the equivalent of 0.2 BTC. It's giving me 12,000 plus. So click on next. I don't want the video to be long, so very fast. So let's do that. So I'm just want to prove this guy. I want to prove you guys this thing is very sweet. So like this, I've received a notification. So let me go there. Let's check. You can see, boom. See, very sharp. Receive it. Check your history. Click on history. You see the coin you receive. See the 8,000 we sent as USD. See the 0.2 we sent as BTC. So that is how to do it on your Binance. And if you want to use it on gate.io, that also is also working perfectly. You can also send from either Trust Wallet to Binance or Binance to Trust Wallet. Gate.io, so you can send from Gate.io to Trust Wallet or Binance to Trust Wallet. You can just switch like that. So like this now. Let us do the same way. Just click on receive, then copy the BNB wallet address. Copy the BNB wallet address. Stand. So go back to go back to, you see we have USDT here. So let's just flash BTC to this. Okay, let's flash BTC from our Trust Wallet. Let's check. Okay, now let's flash BTC to that wallet. Send. Locate the coin. This is the active coin that is available. So we're sending 0.2 or so. Let's send it out. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you can see it now. So let's confirm it. Then let's send. Okay. So let's wait for you to confirm. Completed. So let's check our wallet. You can see it's very sharp. You see it. So that is how you can do it. It's very simple. You can see it reflects. So, and you can also send from here to back to Trust Wallet. Stand. It's only okay that it's giving us tough time that is not reflecting, but can flash from OKS to Trust Wallet and from OKS to Binance. It will reflect. Stand. See, this is Gate.io. Gate.io shows this is trust wallet. Normally it will show confirm it. Then this Binance, the Binance king is here also, so it reflect. So if you love this video so far, kindly like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss my update. And make sure you join my WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, and also you can also DM me on WhatsApp if you need any tools installed. So that is how it goes. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.